Good morning, student. We have completed half part of this chapter 6, unit first, and today we will discuss about next topic, which is cloud computing. And I have provided you the exercise of this chapter in PDF format. So please complete your work. Today we will start the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is made up of two words. First, cloud, and second, computing. Cloud is a metaphor for the internet, hence it means computing on the internet. Thus, cloud computing refers to manipulating, किसलिए होता है, configuring and accessing the applications online. It offers online data storage. Infrastructure and applications. There are four different types of cloud based on their ownership, size and access. Okay, these are the public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud. What is public cloud? It is accessible, used by the general public. Okay? A public cloud is provisioned for open use by the general public. It has no boundaries. And the cloud infrastructure can be used by anyone, anywhere over the internet. It's known as the public cloud. And what is private cloud? Private clouds used by a single organization over a private network is known as the private cloud. Okay, hybrid is the combination of both, है ना. तो a hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. What is community cloud? These are the differences between these parts of clouds. Community cloud is known as the provision for use by a group of consumers from different organizations. Okay, a group of consumers from different organizations who share the same concern. Okay, thus the public cloud, private cloud and the hybrid cloud and community cloud. Okay, these are the four different types of cloud based on their ownership, size and accessible. Okay, next point is that advantage of cloud computing. What is the advantage of cloud computing? तो कॉस्ट सेविंग है आपका, रिलायबिलिटी है, अनलिमिटेड फ्री स्टोरेज है. इसमें क्या होता है, अनलिमिटेड फ्री स्टोरेज एंड एक्सेसिबिलिटी है. सी दिस, cost saving, reliability, unlimited free storage and accessibility. These are the advantages of cloud computing. Okay, what is the unlimited free storage? You can users can also choose amongst the public, private and hybrid cloud as I have defined, depending on their security needs. And accessibility, what is? Cloud allows easy access to cloud based services and applications through internet enabled devices such as the desktop, laptops या आपके tablets हैं या mobile phones है, accessible हैं ये. Okay, and there are some disadvantages of cloud computing. What are they? Technical issues है ना. Technical issues known as the cloud may provide accessibility to service and applications anytime, any and from anywhere. But होता क्या है, there are times when this system encounters serious technical problem. Okay, these known as the technical issues. And security problems there. What is security problem? Although cloud service provides implement the best security standard and encryption methods, but होता क्या है कि storing the company's sensitive data and important files on third party cloud providers. Okay, this is the problem, always open up security risk. Okay, this known as the disadvantage of related security. तो vendor lock in है आपका and limited controls. Okay, these are the disadvantages of cloud computing. Next topic है आपका social networking. Social networking, you know very well about the social networking ना, सभी लोग यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक एज फेसबुक है. ओके, फेसबुक, ट्विटर एंड अदर भी हैं आपके, इंस्टाग्राम, ओके, रेडिट, इस टाइप की ये क्या है, अदर सोशल नेटवर्किंग एप्स हैं ये आपके, और ये सोशल नेटवर्किंग. ओके, तो इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो, ड्यू टू hectic schedules, people hardly get enough time to socialize with friends and relatives with the help of social networking sites. है ना. Facebook, as you know very well, Facebook with nearly 2 billion active users. कितने हैं, how many users? 2 billion active users. Continues to lead the social networking site. It allows all the registered users to create their profile. आप create करते हैं, पोस्ट कमेंट्स है आपका, एक्सचेंज इन्फॉर्मेशन है, शेयर लिंक्स है, फोटोग्राफ्स, चैट, प्ले गेम्स, एक्सेट्रा वगैरह. ट्विटर, देयर इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन ट्विटर which is that Twitter has now changed the character limit from 140 to 280. But in starting क्या था, message sent with this app were initially restricted to 140 character. Okay, 140 character. But now Twitter has now changed the character limit from 140 to 280. Okay, this is the important thing. एंड अदर सोशल नेटवर्किंग एप्स जो है आपके, दीज आर द इंस्टाग्राम के, रेडिट, ये है लिंक्डइन आपको दिख रहे होंगे ये. दीज आर द अदर सोशल नेटवर्किंग एप्स के. इंस्टाग्राम इज़ अनदर ऐप यूज फॉर सोशल नेटवर्किंग. दिस ऐप स्पेशलाइज इज शेयरिंग ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स बाय द यूज़र्स, है ना, आप लोग यूज़ करते हैं. लिंक्डइन आईडी जो है आपकी, ये क्या है, इज़ ए नेटवर्क एप्स स्पेशलाइजिंग इन द शेयरिंग ऑफ बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो ये आपका जो है, ये आपके बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है. रेडिट इज़ सोशल न्यूज़ एग्रीगेशन ऐप. रजिस्टर्ड यूजर्स कैन अपलोड न्यूज़. किस लिए होता है? न्यूज़ के लिए है. न्यूज़, स्टोरीज और लिंक्स, एंड अदर यूजर्स कैन रेट दीज स्टोरीज बाई वोटिंग देम अप और डाउन. ओके, now we talk about the data and information. I have discussed already about the data and information. Data is raw material. Like as the data refers to a collection of numbers, characters, symbols, images, etc. Okay, and if we arrange the data in sequential form or sequential manner, okay, it also get a meaningful information. Okay, then data refers to a collection of number, characters, symbols, images, etc., which can be processed by a computer. It related to facts, events and transactions. Data carries no meaning in its raw form. इसका क्या कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं होता है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बताया it is a raw collection. It must be processed and interpreted to extract meaningful information. If we arrange data in sequential form, okay, it gives a meaning, है ना, meaningful information, that is known as the information. So data and information, this is the difference between the data and information. Understanding data, information and acknowledge. 1 minute. Okay, these some points are given. Difference between the data and information. Okay, you have noted this. Data is fact and statistics used for reference or analysis. Suppose that if we talk, these are marks such as 67, 88, 90. If we indicate the marks, कोई marks 67, but we have not defined. 1 minute. Okay, suppose that we define the marks of 67. Okay, there is not clarify which subject, है ना. If we indicate that the 67 marks of physics, it known as the information. So these are the differences between the information and data. Is that clear? You can see in the last line. Example, if we relate the marks with a boy whose name is Rohit, student of class 9th, who has scored 67 in English. So 67 in English indicate that the meaningful information. Okay, meaningful sentences. 67 in mark, 67 in English. Okay, so this is known as the information. But if we indicate the 67 marks, this only data. Okay, now we talk about the multimedia. Multimedia is, as you know very well, in today's advanced society, the concept of multimedia is present in many facets of life. Multimedia can be termed as the combination of different types of medias. जैसे कि आपका टेक्स्ट है, ऑडियोज़ है, ग्राफिक्स है, एनिमेशन है, वीडियोज़ हैं, एंड interactivity, okay, to convey information. Multimedia involves the use of computers to present text, graphics, video, animation and sound in an integrated way. Okay, तो मल्टीमीडिया फॉर्मेट आप देख लीजिएगा. मल्टीमीडिया फॉर्मेट, दीज आर द मल्टीमीडिया एलिमेंट्स. फॉर्मेट की बात करते हैं. फॉर्मेट आपका रहता है .mp3 है, .mp4 में है. जैसे कि आपका अगर क्या है, साउंड स्टोर्ड इन AU फॉर्मेट, have the extension .au, .mp3. okay, it होता है क्या, HTML की फाइल है, तो व्हेन ए ब्राउज़र फाइंड द फाइल एक्सटेंशन .htm, या आप पूरा बोल सकते हैं .html, इट विल एज्यूम दैट द फाइल्स इज़ एन HTML पेज. के दिस इज़ द फॉर्मेट ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. जैसे कि आपके .jpg है, .gif है ना, ये एक्सटेंशंस हैं. दिस आर द एक्सटेंशन .mp3. ओके, So these are the format of multimedia. Multimedia elements. What are the multimedia elements? So multimedia comprises of several elements including text, graphics, sounds, videos and animations. Okay, text है आपका ये, as you know very well, text, graphics, sounds, okay, videos, animation, ये सब क्या है? Elements of multimedia. Okay, graphics आपको पता है कि can be incorporated into multimedia project in the form of photographs or designs. Okay, sound can be added to multimedia presentation from a variety of sources. Original sound can be recorded using a microphone along with special programs such as the Hyper Studio, Movie Maker or Smart Sound, जैसा भी आप चाहें. Videos क्या है? Moving images or videos can be incorporated into multimedia project in the form of QuickTime movies. Okay, animation is known as the graphic that contains movement are often referred to as the animation. Okay, animation files can be downloaded from the internet in the form of animated GIF files and viewed with QuickTime Pro. Now we talk about the application of multimedia. The application of multimedia is known as the entertainment and fine arts. So multimedia is widely used in the entertainment industry, especially to aid special effects in movie and animation. किसके लिए होता है? स्पेशल इफेक्ट के लिए है ये, मूवीज़ एंड एनिमेशन के लिए. तो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए आपने देखा है मूवीज़ एंड एनिमेशन में जो भी इफेक्ट्स आते हैं, दीज आर द एंटरटेनमेंट एप्लीकेशंस एंड फाइन आर्ट्स. नेक्स्ट आपका एजुकेशन फील्ड्स की बात करते हैं अगर हम, तो इन एजुकेशन मल्टीमीडिया इज़ यूज टू प्रोड्यूस कंप्यूटर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज पॉपुलरली कॉल्ड CBT. के एंड इसे बोलते हैं कंप्यूटर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज के CBT. एंड रेफरेंस बुक लाइक encyclopedia. A CBT helps the user to go through a series of presentations, text about a particular topic and associated illustrations in various information formats. Okay, these are the uses of education. Okay, journalism की बात करते हैं. We talk about journalism. तो newspaper companies all over the world are trying to embrace the new phenomena of multimedia technology by implement its practice in their work. Okay, this is the known as the जर्नलिज्म. ओके, इंजीनियरिंग में क्या है कि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स आर यूज मल्टीमीडिया एंड कंप्यूटर सिमल्टेनियसन फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट एंड इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग. ये इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड्स की बात है कि मल्टीमीडिया इज यूज टू डिज़ाइन सॉफ्टवेयर इंटरफेसेस विच कैन बी यूज फॉर क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशनल्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स. के फॉर एग्जांपल अगर बात करते हैं, साइंटिस्ट कैन लुक एट ए molecular model of particular substance and manipulate it to arrive at a new substance. के तो मैनिपुलेट करता है किसी न्यू सब्सटेंस की जगह. तो ये इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में आपका यूज़ होता है. इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए इन द इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर मल्टीमीडिया इज़ यूज टू प्रेजेंट इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टू क्लाइंट्स. मेडिसिन फील्ड की बात करते हैं तो इन मेडिकल सेक्टर डॉक्टर कैन बी ट्रेंड बाई शोइंग वर्चुअल सर्जरीज. के दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. क्या था आपका एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया. And I have sent the exercise of this chapter in PDF format yesterday. So complete your work and we will start new chapter in next classes. Okay, thank you.